Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to Nikki Kitchen. It's been a while, it's been a long time. I have other commitment to take care of, so that's why it took me so long to make another video. So I'm sorry for that. Today I'm cooking coconut rice. So I'm going to show you step-by-step process. Today I'm using rice, 4 cups of rice. And this is my lamb. You can use beef, you can use lamb, you can use any meat, whatever, is up to you. I'm using lamb for my coconut rice, and I'm using 1 scoop of butter, and I'm using tomato puree, 1 spoon. And this is my coconut milk. I'm not going to buy coconut and start afresh and start squeezing the milk out of it. So I bought the ready-made coconut milk. This is what I'm going to use for my coconut rice. And I have my black pepper as my seasoning. And I have Jumbo Maggi. Always use Jumbo Maggi. It's up to you which Maggi you use, but I prefer to use Jumbo Maggi because I don't have to add salt. So I blend all my pepper together. Onion, big pepper, small pepper, and tomato together, so that make it look like that. So everything is being blend together. So this is all I'm going to use for my coconut rice today. Do follow me. Okay, I'm going to start with my lamb first. I'm putting my lamb in my saucepan. And I'm going to put my seasoning inside. That is black pepper. And I'm going to put Maggi, like 1 teaspoon of Maggi. And I'm going to pour 1 cup of water to boil it. So I'm going to leave it, cover it to boil. I'm going to leave it to boil about 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah, this is it after 10 minutes. So I'm going to add my coconut milk inside it. Pour it together. I'm going to leave it to boil for another 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, this is it after 5 minutes. So I'm going to pour my pepper inside. And my puree as well, and last my butter. I need everything to cook together for another 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, this is after 10 minutes. You can see the meat is a bit tender. So you need to let your meat be tender before you pour your rice inside, and the pepper is cooked as well. So I'm going to put my rice in, but make sure the water inside will be enough for your rice to cook. If you want to add more water, you can add more water to it so that it will allow your rice to cook. But make sure you have enough water for your rice. So you can see my one is enough. You don't want it to be too soft and you don't want it to be too hard. This is enough water for me to make my rice cook. I'm going to cover it for 15 minutes for rice to be well cooked. Okay, this is after 20 minutes. You can see the rice is well done and the meat is very soft. So this is the way you want it to be. So don't put too much water. Too soft is not nice. You have to be moderate. And if it's too hard, it's not nice too. You can see it's done. Your coconut rice is done, ready to be served. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like what I'm doing, you can leave your comments below, and you can subscribe to my video and put like. Thank you very much. I'll see you next week. Have a nice weekend. Bye.